Boomage, everybody, what is up?
What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing good today.
Yes, and we're going to try our best to get through this video. It's been, we've been sitting here waiting for hours, but guess what? All we did was just wait for nothing. So, yeah,
it's so windy out here that...
It's crazy. Derecho, what'd you say? Derecho, that's what we're experiencing right now. Look it up.
I don't know, maybe I said that
Google
right.
it. It's a widespread, basically windstorm, and has thunderstorms with it. And we've been having that repeatedly for the past 3 days.
But today it's worse.
Or at least it ain't hot. Yesterday they said the heat index was going to be over 100 degrees. Well, this Derecho has definitely cooled it down. So the yurt forecast right now currently is 71 degrees, wind blowing like crazy, cloudy, overcast skies, wind all day, thunderstorms expected, and that is your yurt forecast.
That's right, baby.
Yeah, for the yurt nation out there, right? Heck yeah. So, yeah, we're going to try to find a spot to daggum, I don't know, block the wind. I don't know if it's possible.
You guys, and this is what a derecho looks like.
Yeah. Go, little buddy, go.
Go! You're gonna win!
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
And early on in this video, I have to tell you guys, come over to the Saturday Night Live tomorrow night. It's going to be a blast. It's going to be a fun time. It's going to be exciting. You never know.
We'll tell you why.
Guess why? It's my birthday. Tomorrow, July 1st, 7 p.m. Central. Come on over. Wish me a happy birthday.
Yeah.
I mean, come on.
Please.
And I'll appreciate it.
Yeah, he'll appreciate it.
Yeah. And if you can't make it at 7, you know, watch it afterwards. It's going to be a blast. We're going to make it fun because I want to have fun, you know? Freaking A. One more year hanging on to the 40s, son. Yeah.
Woo-hoo.
Woo!
He gets better with age.
Fine wine. That's right.
You can cry if you want to tomorrow. Baby.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a good idea to be right here. There's limbs falling.
Yeah, I don't think it'd be a good idea to sit here either. So let's move locations.
Let's go.
Okay.
I feel better in here.
Yeah.
That makes me nervous.
Well, it's breaking some limbs. Yeah, and guess what? Here's our unfinished cabinets.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah. So,
hopefully.
we ain't made it to town or nothing. Had that doctor's appointment yesterday, and it was late before we got back home. It was like 5:30 or something. We just wanted to get home.
Yeah.
So we ain't stopped, you know, to look at nothing or whatever. So, yeah. Yurt. Yeah.
We're back outside, you guys, and this is what it looks like above our camper.
Yeah. So hopefully we won't get no wind damage.
Well, I know one thing. It's making me go like that.
There's some strong gusts, and the sun's popped out now, and so it's like another round is supposed to come through. I think around 1. I think, unless that changes.
Yeah.
Who knows? The weather's changing like crazy. I'm so glad though it's not going to be hot. It's not hot, is it?
Yeah. It's just a little nervousness.
Nervousness?
Yeah.
Nervousness.
Look what I found, you guys. That's what y'all do. Y'all beat my heart. You do.
That's sweet.
Always know that.
There's hearts in nature, ain't there?
Yeah.
Yurt. So, yeah, I actually Googled and asked how rare a derecho. I know we're probably mispronouncing that, but y'all get it.
Yeah, I wasn't good
Wait
at
a
spelling.
minute, how rare it is, and it's actually relatively rare. It happens once every 4 years in different parts of the United States. So I was like, wow, I didn't really know that. So, but yeah, that's today.
That's
It's Friday.
Your camp, y'all.
It's Friday, June the 30th, and guess what? Tomorrow is my birthday, and I'm pumped. I'm excited. I'm happy to be alive. I'm thankful for everything that I have.
That's right.
And, you know, yeah, this camper that we're sitting on the front steps of.
Front porch it is.
It's a yurt camp, buddy. Yurt camp. Love it. And this one right here beside me, I'm glad she's with me. And that's why Cynthia always says the things that she says at the end of the video. And if y'all are one of the ones that skip out at the end, before the end of each video, maybe you ought to watch all the way to the end, because you know what? You never know when you may need to hear it.
Yeah.
Because it really helps us as people going through this life, because this life is crazy, and I believe it's just going to get crazier.
I'm glad I got to be with you, baby.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, we're living our dream, living off grid. Has its challenges, yes, and you know, we're going to get through it just like anything, you know.
Yep.
That's right. So boomage, heck yeah. Hopefully we'll get through this with no damage. I mean, minimal damage, and hopefully the folks out there that is experiencing this derecho has not had significant damage on their properties or anything. So yeah, we're there with you. It's wild. Ryan Hall, y'all, showed it how it was going to be.
Look at that tree
the other day, and it was amazing how it's played out. You know, how it actually played out what he said it was going to do.
Yeah.
So if you don't have a meteorologist that you can trust, tune in to Ryan Hall, y'all, on YouTube. He does a lot of good things. You can donate to his cause and everything. So yeah. But anyways, I guess we're going to get out of here. Call this a done deal. Get ready for tomorrow night, y'all, because I'm ready. We're going to party it up and have fun. It's my birthday, and Cynthia's is coming up too. So July kicks off birthday month for CNC, and mine's the 1st and hers is the 16th.
And you guys, I have to tell you, he is 1 year and 15 days older than me.
Yeah, that's right. So yeah, we appreciate y'all watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, y'all, and hit that daggum
notification bell.
That's right, and give us a comment. So we'll hopefully we'll see y'all tomorrow. Come in the live, and let's just have fun.
And what time does that start?
It starts at 7 p.m. Central, y'all.
And guys,
heck yeah. So
we'll have a notification out at 6 o'clock.
Right.
Yeah.
But anyways, we're gonna get out of here, and we hope y'all have a rest of the awesome Friday evening and night when you watch this. And yeah, we'll see y'all tomorrow night. Peace out. Love you guys. Yeah. We're ready for this derecho. Yeah.
Okay, you guys, I would like to say to the whole world, to everybody, that please, please don't ever give up. You're special, and always remember your worth.
That's right.
And from my deep down soul to my heart, I promise that you have a purpose.
That's right.
Always remember that, because you do. So, you guys, that being said, love you guys.
Yeah. Woo.
Mm.
Yep.
You're guys, you're